Hi, I'm Juan with SOAZ, and today we're going to talk about putting a CO2 tank in your rig. So, I purchased this 20-pound CO2 bottle from somebody. It was already built. Basically what you have here is a 20-pound CO2 tank, a welding regulator, and an air hose going right into it. These things can be refilled and exchanged at your local welding supply store. I also bought it with this universal bracket that fits the 20-pound. So I'm running into a problem now. Originally when this was installed, it was installed a little lower and it was screwed into some nutserts that we placed in the body of the Jeep. If you look at an earlier video we made, we installed this front runner slide for the refrigerator and some other stuff. This caused a problem because now I could not put my CO2 tank where it was, so I had to go a little higher with it, which caused another problem. It's wobbly as hell. So today we're going to fab up a piece of metal so that we can fix that problem. So originally when this was installed, the slider was not here. As you can see, there's 4 holes, actually 6, but we use these 4 in the mount. This mount was pretty much flush with the floor and it had 4 bolts holding it, so it was pretty steady, but now we only have 2, so we got this wobbling going on. So what I did is picked it up, hooked it up here with these 2 bolts, and I put a little 1.5 inch square peg to kind of hold it up a little bit. So what we're going to do now is we're going to measure straight off the back of the mount here to our center hardtop bolt so that we can steady this bad boy. And I think we're going to go with about a 9-inch. What we've done here is we have welded this piece of metal onto the back and trussed it so that it's nice and sturdy, and then put it in, lined it up, and cut our hole so it's ready to go in, and it's nice and painted now. It's pretty. So now we're going to install it. Okay, so now we have it installed back in here. It is pretty much exactly where it was before, except for now, sturdy. It still clears the refrigerator very nicely.
Damn it. Ready?
No? What am I supposed to say? 5, 4,
7, 8. Alright. Ready when you are.
Are you recording?
I'm recording.
Holy shit, okay.
Get your cool on. Get your cool on.
Scene. Until next time on SOAZ. Stop looking at my ass.